Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Footprint Chart on GoCharting. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly get your Footprint Chart view set up inside GoCharting. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. To begin, open GoCharting and head to the Trading Hub. This is the main area where you can access the charting tools and trading interface. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options are visible and responsive. Once you're in the Trading Hub, look for the option that says Launch GoCharting Free and click it. This will open the charting workspace where you can access different chart styles and analysis tools. If the platform takes a few seconds to load, just give it a moment, especially if it's your first time opening the terminal. After the charting screen appears, move your attention to the upper part of the screen. There, you'll find the Charts drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to open the list of available chart types. This menu is where GoCharting lets you switch between different visual formats depending on the kind of analysis you want to do. With the drop-down open, scroll down through the list until you find Cluster. Once you locate it, click on it to select it. In GoCharting, the cluster view is the option that displays the footprint style chart, so this is the key step that changes your chart from a standard layout to a more detailed order flow view. After selecting Cluster, go back to the Graph area. At this point, you may not immediately see all the footprint details clearly, and that's completely normal. Zoom in on the chart so the data becomes easier to read. As you zoom in, the footprint chart should become visible and much more useful for analysis. A helpful tip here is to zoom gradually rather than all at once. That makes it easier to find a comfortable level of detail on the chart. If the chart looks crowded, continue adjusting the zoom until the price levels and volume information are easier to distinguish. And that's it. You've successfully set up the footprint chart on GoCharting. Once you're comfortable with this view, you can use it to examine market activity in more detail and better understand how price is interacting at each level.